Hey folks, it's Mike Murphy. Today's quick tip is in Uber. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to schedule an Uber ride in advance. Uber allows you to book a trip either 5 minutes or up to 30 days in advance using the scheduled ride feature. So go ahead and open up the Uber app on either your iPhone or your Android device. In the destination box that says where to, go ahead and click on the icon on the right that has the car and the little clock icon. This is where we're going to schedule a ride. So go ahead and pick the date that you want to be picked up. So let's say I have a flight next Sunday, August 12th. I want to be picked up at 6 a.m. at my house. So go ahead and change the time to 6 a.m. At the top there, you see it says schedule a ride Sunday, August 12th. That's what we want. And it says 6 a.m. to 6:10 a.m. So Uber always does this in 10-minute blocks. That means that the driver has a 10-minute pickup window in order to get you. If the driver is late, let's say they come at 6:11 a.m., Uber will give you a $10 credit that you can use for a future ride. So when you have the correct date and the correct time, go ahead and click the Set Time button. So on this screen, the first box is going to show the pickup date. So Sunday, August 12th, 6 a.m., 6:10 a.m. Perfect. The next is the pickup location. It's going to default to your current location. For me, that is home. So I can just tap on this. I can actually change where I want to be picked up if it's at a different place than where I'm currently at. And then you want to do the destination. This is the where to box. For me, I want to put the Southwest Florida International Airport. That's where I want to go next Sunday. So you can see here it's already going to find a ride for me and give me a fair estimate. So the Uber X is the one that I would take. That's just the basic Uber. You can see in the bottom right that little person icon. The Uber X will hold 1 to 4 people. If you have more people traveling with you, maybe your whole family's going or you have a lot of luggage, you might want to choose the Uber XL option. That's going to be $75 in this case. If you look down at that person icon, that will hold 1 to 6 people. And if you want to get fancy, you can go ahead and click on the select. That's going to be $95 in my case. That'll also hold 1 to 4 people. If you want to see a little bit more information about any of these options, just go ahead and tap on this and it'll show you this is going to be the fare, this is the capacity, and the per minute wait time. But for me, it's going to be $52.09, and that price is going to be locked in. Even if I book a trip 30 days in advance, that is going to be my locked in price. When you're happy with everything and you see that you got the right destination, the right pickup location, just go ahead and click Schedule Uber X, and that ride will come at Sunday, August 12th, 6 a.m. to 6:10 a.m. If you want to change or cancel any upcoming trips that you have scheduled, just click on the little menu icon in the upper left corner, choose your trips, choose upcoming. Here is going to list all of your scheduled trips. You'll be able to modify the pickup location, the time, or you can cancel the trip. If you haven't already been matched with the driver, there will be no charge. If you have been matched with the driver and you cancel, normal cancellation charges will occur. So that is how you use the scheduled ride feature in Uber. In the where to destination box, just click on that car with the clock icon, and here you're going to pick the date and the time. There's going to be a 10-minute pickup window that the driver has to pick you up. Please note, if you want to use this for airport runs, you can only schedule a ride going to the airport. You cannot currently schedule a ride to pick you up from a returning flight. So if you're going on a future trip, you can schedule a ride to the airport either 5 minutes or up to 30 days in advance. When returning from the airport, when you land, you're just going to have to call an Uber on demand as you normally would. My name is Mike Murphy, and that is how you schedule a ride using Uber. Cheers.